Are you confused on how to use essential oils in your everyday bath products? Let's make this rosé sugar scrub so that you can have nice exfoliated skin in the shower every day. With this recipe, you're gonna go from dry, boring skin to having super soft, luxurious skin. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. So let's get started making a rosé sugar scrub. Here's what you'll need to make this recipe. You'll want to grab your July recipe box, grab your recipe card, and all of your extras from your box. So it looks like you're going to use Palmarosa, Downtime, and Tangerine for the essential oils. You're also going to want to grab your dried rose petals from this box, and from your big bonus box, you're going to grab your solid coconut oil. And from your kitchen, you're gonna wanna grab 1 cup of sugar and a little sealable jar. You're also gonna use a tablespoon of almond oil from your big bonus box. So let's get started. For the first step, you're gonna melt 1/4 cup of the solid coconut oil and your 1 tablespoon of almond oil. You can do this in a double boiler, or if you want to do it in the microwave, which is what I'm gonna do it in 30-second intervals. All right, I'm putting my 1/4 of a cup in of the solid coconut oil first. Next, I'm gonna do my 1 tablespoon. I couldn't find my 1 tablespoon, so I'm just doing 2 halves. I'm gonna pop this in the microwave at 30-second intervals, and I'll be right back when it's melted. All right, now that this is melted, I'm going to put 10 drops of each of the essential oils in, and make sure you do this part a little bit faster. This will start to solidify, so if it does start to solidify, you can pop it back into the microwave. Just don't overheat it, as the essential oils will evaporate. So 10 drops of tangerine, 10 drops of Palmarosa, I absolutely love Palmarosa. It smells like fresh cut flowers and it's amazing. And 10 drops of the Downtime essential oil blend. I actually formulated this blend for massage therapists. You guys are gonna love it. It's super calming and it's just great. All right, now we're going to stir that up to make sure the essential oils are evenly incorporated. All right, the last step, we're gonna add in our sugar and 1 tablespoon of the dried rose petals. All right, for the rose petals, I don't want them to be like 1 big chunk, so I'm gonna just kind of break them up a little bit so that they go further in the recipe. It's totally up to you what you would like to do on this part, but I just think it'll make them look a little bit prettier with them in pieces. All right, now that that is all together, I'm gonna stir this up. All right, now that it is evenly stirred up, I'm gonna put this into a sealable jar, and then we'll put the label on it. All right, now that the recipe is mixed together, I'm gonna put it into my sealable container. All right, now that it's all in the container, I'm going to put the lid on. I'm gonna put the lid on, and then I am going to grab the sticker. I'm gonna put it on the side so that when I put it into my bathroom closet, I can see it. And you can put the date on there if you want to. You can make this at home too. Let's test it out. When you're ready to use this guy, you can use a tablespoon at a time, or you can use the whole container. If you're using a tablespoon, you'll put it into your hand. Make sure that water doesn't get into the container because it'll disintegrate the rest of the recipe. You can scrub all over to exfoliate your skin. I absolutely love seeing all of your creations on social media. So go ahead and take pictures of the recipe, or if you modified it, because some of you guys do, and tag From Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this. The Simply Earth recipe box makes making recipes just like this super easy, and you can do it at home. Go get yours today.